Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those of you that are joining us for the first time today, welcome. So today me and Beatrice, my little baby girl, will be going out for her birthday shopping. But oh boy, see my hair. I haven't made my hair and I don't want to go out carrying my hair like this. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to put on my makeup and I'll come back and show you guys how to style your hair, a quick one, before going out there. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So welcome back. I'm done with the makeup now, and this is how the makeup looks like. So for those of you that are just joining us, welcome. I'm going to do my little quick hairstyle. Beatrice, say hello. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone. So you don't say hi. Say hi. Say hi. I know you want to come and show your face. So this is Beatrice, my little baby girl. We are set to go out for her shopping. So how do I look with my hairstyle? You want to go down? Okay. Choose. So how do I look? This is it. Wait. Dada. And so so this is a quick style on how to just, you know, keep your hair to look good when you are rushing out and you didn't make your hair and you just want to carry your hair looking good, outstanding when you go out. Just put on your makeup and then give your hair a little quick style. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you all.